Welcome to qnawire.
A canoe has a velocity of 0.4 meters per second southeast relative to the Earth. The canoe is on a river that is flowing 0.5 meters per second east relative to the Earth. Find the velocity of the canoe relative to the water. Okay, so the velocity of the canoe relative to the Earth is equal to the velocity of the canoe relative to the river plus the velocity of the river relative to the Earth. So we say VCE is equal to VCR plus VRE. So the velocity of the canoe relative to the river is the velocity of the canoe relative to the Earth minus the velocity of the river relative to the Earth. So the canoe relative to the Earth, it is southeast. So southeast is 45 degrees. So we have the velocity of the canoe relative to the Earth is the velocity in the x direction is 0.4 cosine of 45 degrees. Which is 0.283 meters per second. And the velocity of the canoe relative to the Earth in the y direction is 0.4 sine of 45 degrees, which is 0.283 meters per second. So the river is only flowing east. So if we're looking at the velocity of the canoe relative to the river in the x direction, we have 0.283 minus 0.5, which is negative 0.217 meters per second. And in the y direction, it's just the velocity of the canoe. So then the total velocity is the square root of vx squared plus vy squared. So squaring these two and adding them together, taking the square root, we get the magnitude of the velocity is 0.357 meters per second. The angle is the inverse tangent of Vy over Vx. And we get 52.52 degrees south of west.